Hello, my dear friends. Today we're going to spend 20 minutes doing the weekly home blessing part 3 and 4, where we're going to clean the glass and we're going to dust the house. So I want you to set your timer for 2 minutes a room. I want you to pick 5 rooms, and it might not take you this long. It might take you half as long, but I'm going to give you the full 2 minutes for each room. So ready, begin. So I'm going to assume we're in the bathroom. So what we're going to do is get this wet, wring it out, and then we're going to start wiping the mirror. And the mirror, that doesn't mean we're going to do the whole mirror. We're just doing the spots on the mirror where the toothpaste, splashed or whatever. Just wipe that off. Is there anything else you need to do in here? Sometimes I'll do the faucets, okay? All right, I don't see anything else that needs to be done. Do you? I'm gonna wait the full 2 minutes so you get it all done. If not, proceed to your next room. All right, so here we are. We got about 45 more seconds to finish wiping up any spots. This is ample time. And if you've picked 5 rooms, maybe you picked your 3 bathrooms, maybe you picked your living room and your bedroom. We're gonna assume that. You could pick any room, okay? We've got 30 seconds left. Please continue to wipe the spots in your bathroom. You may have a big bathroom with lots of mirrors, or you may have double vanities, one in front and one in back, or you may have big, long, full-length mirrors in your bathroom. So if you need those seconds, get it done, but we are about done. We've got about 10 more seconds in here. All right, you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to your bedroom. All right, now we're in your bedroom. Now we're going to work in here. So let's look and see what has spots on it. Are there thumb smudges on your television? Let's go get those. You see them? Look in the light. Can you see them? Let's get those. Get those little thumb smudges. You might want to dry it. That's fine. This isn't damp. This is just damp. It's not big and wet, okay? All right, you got the thumb smudges. Now let's go look at your mirror. Are there any spots on your mirror? If there aren't, you don't have to do anything. If there are some spots, and I'm talking about your dresser mirror, get those off. Do you have a standalone mirror in your bedroom? Maybe a full-length mirror behind the door or standing mirror? If you do, let's go look. Has the baby or the dog smashed their nose on it or put their little fingers on it? Let's go wipe those spots off. Okay, you got it? All right, now let's look at your windows. Are there any spots on your windows that you need to get? Let's look. Not really. Well, how about the base of your lamp? Is your lamp reflective? Does it have finger smudges on it? Let's get that. Any reflective thing in your room, you can get these spots off of. You've still got 45 seconds. So if you still have something, like maybe your pictures just have something on it that you never noticed before. So get that damp thing and wipe it down. And if it makes it look odd because you've never wiped it before and half of it's dusty now and half of it's shiny, go ahead and do that small space, that whole small space. All right, we've got 5 more seconds. Actually, we don't. We have 15 more seconds. So if you don't have anything left to do in here, you're welcome to go to the next room, which I'm going to say is the hall bathroom. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's walk to the hall bathroom. All right, let's go in here. Do you see the spots on the mirror? If there are some, we're going to do the same that we did in the master bathroom. We're going to clean the spots on the mirror. If you only have one bathroom and you don't have any other mirrors or reflective surfaces, or you kept working while we were doing this, you can consider yourself done and fast forward to the next stage is when we're doing feather dusting. But if you do need me, I'm here for you for the full 2 minutes in each room. So we're going to pretend we have 3 bathrooms, a master bedroom, and what did I say we were going to do? The kitchen? I don't remember what the other room was already. 3 bathrooms, master bedroom, and the living room. That's what I said. We've got 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to the living room. Let's go. We've done the master bedroom, we've done the master bathroom, we've done the hall bathroom, we're going to do the living room. So are you downstairs yet, or have you gone down the hall to the living room? Because we're using this as part of our 2 minutes. All right, ready? Look. Do you have a TV that has finger smashes on it, where people have been smashing their fingers into it to move it around? If so, let's get those off. Again, if that looks odd, get the whole thing, because you have time. Is there any other reflective glass in here? Do you have a glass top table or glass covers on your wooden furniture? Let's see if there's any spots we need to get off. And if you need to on that glass top furniture, you might need to turn it over to the dry side and give it a little shine. All right, let's look at the glass doors. Do you have sliding glass doors in this room? Or do you have French doors in this room or something? Has the dog or the baby been mashing their little dirty fingers and nose on that? Let's squat down there and get those. It's not high because these animals aren't very big and these babies aren't very big. Let's get that, okay? Very good. And now we're going to go to any mirror you have in here. And while you're at it, you can go around the corner to the entryway and maybe hit that mirror if there's anything. Okay, we're going to give you about 45 more seconds to get it all done before we get in the kitchen, and we'll be through with the glass. So we are working on it. You know what to do. You're not cleaning everything in detail. You're not using Windex and paper towels. You're using a microfiber cloth. This one happens to be one that I purchased from Flylady.net years ago. It's still perfectly good, and I have quite a few of them. But if you don't have one of these, that's fine. You can go get a microfiber cloth at the Dollar Tree if you need to. There are much higher quality ones and much lower quality ones, but it doesn't matter. Anyone will do. Okay, we've got 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to the kitchen. Okay, now we're in the kitchen. Now there may not be any glass in here, but there are definitely some reflective things. And oftentimes I'll go ahead and get the refrigerator, if it's a stainless steel refrigerator, and look at it. You can see the spots along the top of the door, along the handle, maybe the handle itself. Get those. I always like to get the faucet a little bit. How about the dishwasher? How's that look? Do you have some spots on there you need to get off? Do you have an aluminum, brushed aluminum or steel garbage can? Does it need to be wiped a little bit? Get those little spots. Okay. And look at your stove front. Is your stove brushed aluminum? Do you need to work on that? So let's get over there and wipe that. How about the glass on the oven door? Does it look like it has some little touchy marks on it? Let's get those off. We have a minute left. Let's make sure that the microwave looks good. Get the handle, get the glass, get the edges. And if you're finished, stand back and look. Does everything look better? Remember, this is just a blessing, not a deep clean. Does everything look better? If it doesn't, you still have about 40 seconds. If it does, you can be done with this. You can fold this up and go hang it in the laundry room over something so it can dry, or leave it open and hang it over your laundry sink or whatever you've got and let it dry, and then it can go in the wash. Okay, we've got about 20 seconds left if you're still working. Keep going. Keep going. We're not doing anything hard. We're just getting little spots, little smudges off the shiny surfaces in glass. 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, you are through doing the glass. We are going to go on to dusting. So here's the feather duster that I got from Flylady. I'm not sure they sell them anymore. I've been hearing rumors that they're not going to have them anymore. Not sure. But if you do need to buy one from somewhere, make sure it's a soft, beautiful, thick, fluffy, full, about 28-inch long feather duster. If you can't find a quality one like this, I'm so sorry, but you can do the best you can. I know you can go on Amazon and they have some. I'm not sure they're this high of quality or that the feathers are as long, but they'll still work. All right, so for those of you who have your feather dusters, and if you don't, Get a microfiber cloth or use your little Swiffer, although you have to move things around with those. It might take you a little bit longer. Ready, we're going to begin dusting. We'll start right where we are. We're going to step into the living room. We're going to pick 5 rooms and work 2 minutes per room. Ready, begin. So you're going to dust around the television, right? Maybe the television itself. And maybe that piece of furniture under the television. Maybe you have a credenza. Let's dust the top of that. The lovely thing about a feather duster is things don't get knocked over because these are so fine and light, but it picks up the dust. Okay, how about the coffee table? Let's do that. Okay, how about the lamp? Do you have a side lamp? Or maybe 2 side tables. See how fast this goes? Walk over to the other end of the couch, get the other lamp. The other side table, maybe underneath, maybe you have a lower shelf on something. Let's go over to the bookshelves if you have those. Let's get the top, and then down the sides, and then into the books. You're just gonna go right into the books like that. You're not gonna knock them over, okay? And you get all the shelves like that. All right, we've got 1 minute left. So while we're in here, let's get the heat registers or the air conditioner vents. Let's get the top of the doors. Do you have blinds in here? Blinds on your windows or your doors? Let's go ahead and get those. We can get those. Just shake it in there. Shake it in there. Shake it in there. Get it in there. Get the windowsill. We've still got 30 seconds. Do you see something else that you need to do in here? Do you have a ceiling fan? Is it running? Well, you can't do it while it's running, but turn it off and come back in here in a minute. Maybe you can hit the ceiling fan. If you don't have something that reaches your ceiling fan, don't worry about it. That will be a deep clean. Oh, but you can get your pictures. Look at this. You just get the picture. I'm actually touching the picture. There's nothing to it. Okay, we've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's proceed. We're going to go down the hall. Do you see anything in the hall that you could catch? How about the door, tops of the door jambs and the heat registers or air conditioning registers? And let's go into your bedroom. And now we're going to dust your bedroom. So if you can do the fan, great. If your fan is filthy, don't get this full of that kind of dust. We're working on the whole house and we can't be spreading it around at this point. That would be the last thing you would do, or a deep clean later, okay? But if it's not so bad, just hit it real quick. And now go over to your dresser, get the top of your mirror if it's framed, get the top of your dresser. Again, you're just doing it like this. You're not doing it like this, you're doing it like this, okay? Maybe you can get in your drawer, maybe the drawers have detail, you wanna get in there, okay? Along the edge of your dresser. And let's go over to the side table and the lamp. Maybe your headboard is wooden, let's get the headboard. If you have pictures in your bedroom, let's get the pictures. Let's get the heat register or the air conditioning vents. Get the other door jamb that goes into the bathroom. Let's go in your closet. Is there anything in there that needs dusting? Maybe that top shelf could use dusting. Maybe some of your shoes need a little dusting. Okay, just be creative. And when you're done, we're going to go into your bathroom. So you've got 20 seconds left to finish dusting your bedroom. Again, if you don't have anything left to do in there, go to the bathroom, your master bathroom, and start dusting. You don't have to do exactly what I'm saying to do. You just need to be dusting, okay? All right, so we've got 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now let's go into the bathroom. And this isn't going to take 30 seconds. We're just going to hit the lights above the mirror and maybe the shelves and maybe the register, if it's high or low. That's all we're going to do in here. Let's go out of here. Let's go back into the hall, go into the children's rooms. Let's do the same thing you did for your bedroom, but it won't take as long. You're going to hit their little shelves. If they have a side table, you're going to walk over to the top of the door and get that. If you want to hit their blinds real quick, you can get that. And now let's go out of that room and go into the guest's bedroom or the other children's room and do the exact same thing. Dusting away. like a little French maid. Okay? And then when you're done with that room, and I know that you're not because I'm rushing you, but I'm just giving you some ideas of things to do. Make sure you're getting the blinds, the window sills, the registers, the furniture. And see, when you don't have to move things around, you can do it very quickly with a feather duster. Okay? Now we're going to go into the office or that whatever other room you have upstairs or down the hall. So let's pretend it's your office or your craft room, and let's go in there, and we've got so many things in here that we don't have to move. We can just dust around them. So we've got about 40 seconds left. Let's get it all dusted in here. Dusting away. All right. We've got 20 seconds. I'm trying to think if I left something out. You keep dusting because it's going to be 16 minutes. It should be 20 minutes. Oh, I know. We didn't spend very much time in the bathroom. So we still have time. We can still dust some more if you need to. So we can go into the other bathrooms and dust like we did. And we can go into, if you have maybe a den or a sunroom that you want to get, you can do that as well. And that's where we're going to wind up today. Getting the glass and dusting. These two jobs are called baby jobs because children can do most of these. Not babies, but they're baby jobs. They're not adult jobs. They don't take an adult to do this. So a nice middle schooler could do this for you. All right, you might want to go and get your laundry room dusted. That's a good thing to dust. The mudroom, the entryway, okay? And then when you're done dusting, you might check and see if your washing machine is done. If it's not, let it keep going. But no, we're going to put those clothes in the dryer soon. All right, that's the end of part 2 and 3. I mean, it's parts 3 and 4 of your weekly home blessing. Next week, we will finish up with parts 5 and 6, which are your floors. And then we will return to the laundry to finish up your bed, which is part 1. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.